This is the Broadwell Art Deco that I made last night. The wood is Yorrell, Yorrell. That's an Australian Burl, one of their, not cypress, I forget the word. Anyway, it's a beautiful pen, hey? I forgot what the metal is. I'll write notes right there to tell you everything about it. It's a ballpoint, twist the finial. See if I can do it one-handed with my left hand. Yes, I can. So, on ink. There we go. Twist the finial. There's the finial. It has a little design on it. It's a nice stone. Beautiful pocket clip. This again is the Broadwell Art Deco Twist ballpoint pen.